Hello everyone, my name is Rodney Pascual, a grade 12 student of STEM in Tansa National Comprehensive High School. In this podcast, I would like to present my weekly reflection in philosophy. So let's start. Stay tuned everyone, enjoy and learn something because this podcast is for you. Hello everyone, get ready because today we will talk about our week 5 lesson in philosophy, which is the human person limitations and possibilities for transcendence. But before we start that, did you know what are your limitations, possibilities, and transcendence in your life? Well, limitations are lacking of capacity of a person to do such things that other person can do, or in their other words, limitations are the only things that we can only do, while the possibilities are the positive opportunities that a person has. It means you can do all the things you want to do no matter what and how hard it is. And transcendence, it means you have been go beyond your limitations, or in simple words, you overcome your limitations. Every person in the world has limitations. These limitations are already given ever since we are born. But sometimes in our life, these limitations stopping us to do the things that we want to do and we must to do. But did you know that we can overcome these limitations? Did you know how? Well, if you don't know, I will give you some tips to overcome your limitations and turn them into possibilities. I will give you 3 tips. First, always believe in yourself. By believing in yourself, you can do whatever you want. Second, always think positive. Never ever think negative thoughts in your life because it can ruin you. And the last but not the least, try your best. Give all the best that you can have when doing things because by giving your best, you can have the best feeling in the world. By doing these things in your life, you can turn your limitations into possibilities and everyone can do this. Every person in the world. I hope these 3 tips can help you to overcome your limitations and turn them into possibilities. I suggest to all of you that you must not let your limitations stop you to do the things that you want to do. Don't let your limitations lead you. Instead, you must lead your limitations. Give all the best that you have. If you do that, your future will be bright and it will be success. Before I end this podcast, I would like to leave a message from Les Brown. He said that life has no limitations except the one you make. That's all and thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed and learned something for this weekly reflection in this podcast. Stay tuned everyone. See you in my next update. Bye, God bless, and stay safe everyone.